Jeff Rodway, Novatec Service Manager here in Baltimore, Maryland. We're going to cover today the EPV valve for some basic troubleshooting. If you're having problems with the EPV valve, you want to make sure that none of the welds have cracked or broken where you can get leaks. The other thing, you want to make sure that it's installed correctly. The angled edge should be mounted downward. That so material, as it comes in and you stop loading, does not block the closure of the two valves here. On the solenoid, you should have 80 to 120 psi, and there is a small button that you can test the operation of the valves with the button on the solenoid. Simply pressing the button will make the solenoid shift, which will make the valves then change positions. On the solenoid, there are two flow control valves. Be certain that you adjust these flow control valves so you get a nice smooth closing action and opening action on the valves themselves. If these valves are tightened down too tightly, it'll create a situation where air cannot escape from the valve and it will not change positions. Once you decide whether or not the valve itself can work mechanically, you can move on to the electrical part of the solenoid. You want to make sure that you have the voltage coming in to activate the solenoid from the main control. When the voltage is coming in, some of the solenoids will have an indicator light. Older solenoids do not have this. So you can check to see if you have the incoming voltage. If you don't have the incoming voltage, you can go to the main control, check the voltage from the control for this particular unit and ID number, make sure it is present at the control, and then make sure it is here at the solenoid itself. If for some reason you don't have that voltage, check your wiring. If you have any questions, please call Novatec at 410-789-4811, or you can email us at novatecservice.com. Thank you.